Senders. Select Hobby, 3-box, PYC 67. You have 68 in the store, take it. Good luck, guys. Thank you for filling it. Colors a tie-dye auto. De'Aaron Fox on the white. Colors a studier of piles. Desmond Bain, purple die cut. Shepard. Lego of Miller. Light blue of Bates. Shaden. Capella for the Silverado. Collar. Cam Whitmore. Brandon Miller for the purple jersey. Hello. Maroon of Bam. Bilal. It's a black finite auto for my mate.
Oh.
1/1 RPA of Kobe Brown. That's for my mate. It's my mate. I have a mate. There you go, mate.
There you go.
My mate's on the board. Blue die cut of De'Aaron Fox. There you go, mate. My mate. Clowney. Silverado. Collar. Asar. The silver non. Trace. Kason Wallace on the maroon. Purple die cut, Ben Caro. We do have tie-dye. It's Trace Jackson. The tie-dye. You got it, Nate. Asar. Maxi. The next brick, Veen, is Copper. Trace Jackson. Can you refund the... I gotta look at it after, Pete David. I don't know what that means. Donovan Mitchell. Prosper. Blue die cut. White blue. Trace Jackson. Kobe Brown. Algorithm. There's Copper. Shane Goon. Orange die cut. Come on. There it is, Collar.
Oh.
There it is! Wemby on the white! Jimmy.
Collar.
There it is. The second time people that haven't been hitting said I love you and want to kiss me today. Nice piece. 25 of 149 for Collar. There's our sharp. There he is. Shane Goon for the silver auto. This thing's tie-dye, but is it an auto or a non? Looks like a non. It's Buddy. Go Collar. One more of those. One more. Tie-dye. Wemby, is that beating or going to grading? And that's going to grading according to my mate.